What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So earlier I was feeling really sick. It was my tummy again, but I'm feeling a lot better, but I'm still craving what I was gonna make. So I'm gonna make a little chicken noodle soup with a little Mexican flavor to it. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was thinking, but good thing I didn't even cook them yet. Always wait to put your vegetables last because they cook really fast. So good thing I didn't even put water in it yet. Okay, so while I cut this, I'm going to be putting this already to boil. That way we get a head, and then we can later on add all of the vegetables, and then it'll be done. So I got the water. Now I'm going to turn it on. And you know what? Right now, I'm going to add the onions. That way it gives it a really good flavor. And then add your seasoning now. Well, at least I will. Not gonna add too much seasoning, just enough to give it some flavor. Some a little bit of pepper. This is just something simple you can do if you don't feel like cooking too much. You're basically just cutting a whole bunch of vegetables and chicken for chicken noodle soup. Don't cut them too small. That way they're easy to get and enjoy as well. Usually for caldo de pollo we use drums, but I didn't have any and I'm not mobile at the moment, so just using what I have at home. And plus my vegetables were gonna go bad already, so might as well. Some of them did kind of go bad, but I just used what I could. Okay. Does that look like enough potato to you? I think so. It's probably just going to be me and Remy eating this anyway. Okay, so we're going to give this a nice stir. And then we're just going to let it sit. So we'll be right back so we can add our vegetables. Okay, y'all, I came to check up on my soup. Right now I'm kind of just like taking off that stuff that floats from the top from the chicken. Okay, now give it a good mix. Ooh, look at that. Yum. A little bit of rice. Okay, now that I think that it's ready, now I'm gonna throw on all of our vegetables. Ooh, careful, because it does splatter. But I'm used to it with all the hot grease I'd be cooking with. Ooh, look at that. The vegetables shouldn't take too long. So we'll come back in maybe like 20 minutes and see how they're looking. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is all done. I'm so excited. I'm going to taste test the broth a little bit just to be sure that that's exactly how I want it to taste with salt wise. Oh my gosh. Oh, don't worry, I'm the only one that's going to eat this shit, so don't be sitting there judging me. Okay, so another way you have to make sure that everything's cooked right. I like to grab a potato and kind of just like push it against there. Oh, look at that. Came off really easily. Another thing, I got carrot. Make sure that's cooked all the way. I don't even think I cut it. Hold on. Okay, perfect. It is all nice and ready to be served. Okay, we're gonna grab it a little bit of the caldito. Just fill what we need. Oops. Should be good enough.
It's good.
It's good? Oh, let me see your thumbs up. Show them thumbs up.
Yes, it
You guys can't really see her, but
does.
it's good. Oh, I'm so happy, Mama. You guys heard it. It's good, and she is a freaking picky eater. If you guys know Remy in life, y'all know. Okay, you guys, let's get a good spoonful of everything to try. Let's see, potato. I'm probably not gonna get all the veggies. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece of this. And then I'm gonna get some of that, and now chicken and rice. Oh my god, perfect. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh no! Hold on, guys. It was a freaking struggle to get the rice, so I couldn't get any rice, but it's there. Oh my god. Y'all need to make this. If you really want me to do like step-by-step videos of me cooking, so many people on my Facebook are complaining that I cook so much good food and I don't share. So if you guys want any recipes, let me know in the comment section down below, or give this video a like. So I'm gonna go enjoy my delicious food as Remy, because she actually really likes it. Which I'm very proud of, because she's such a picky eater. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit like if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed on your way in, please do it on your way out. Don't forget to comment and share as well. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!